I'm Mike Barber. I've called the Wiz Team 2 times. The most recent time I had some water damage in the basement. They came promptly when they said they'd be here, went to work immediately and have dried out the place and got us ready for repairs with carpet and flooring. I'm just very pleased that they came when they said they would, very professional. Did a perfect job. I'm very happy with it and would be happy to recommend them to other folks if they've got a similar problem. They also cleaned my dryer vent very quickly and found a lot of junk in it. So I'm again very happy with the service and how professional and fast they've been.